In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a new email in Zendesk, a powerful customer support platform. This process is designed to be straightforward, ensuring you can efficiently manage your communications while providing excellent service to your customers. Let's begin. When you're in Zendesk, you'll notice a top toolbar. Head over to that toolbar and find the Add button, which is represented by a plus sign. Clicking on this will present you with a drop-down menu. Here, you'll want to select Ticket. This is your gateway to crafting a new communication with your customer. Once you've clicked Ticket, a form will appear that you'll need to fill out. This step is crucial as it sets the tone for your communication and keeps all necessary information organized. First, focus on the Requester field. This is where you select or enter the email address of the person you're reaching out to. Make sure this information is correct, as it ensures your message reaches the right individual. Next, move on to the Subject and Description fields. The subject should be a concise yet informative summary of what the email is about. It's the first thing your recipient will see, so make sure it captures the essence of your message. The description is where you type the initial message. Think of this as the body of your email, where you can elaborate on your points and provide detailed information. The following few fields are optional but can be very beneficial for managing your workflow. Here, you can set an assignee, someone within your team who will take ownership of this ticket. You might also add followers, who are typically colleagues that should be kept in the loop with this communication. Utilize tags by assigning relevant keywords or phrases to categorize your ticket. This will help in easily retrieving or organizing it later. Within this form, you also have options to define the type of ticket and set its priority level. The type could reference the nature of the request, whether it's a question, problem, task, or incident. Setting the priority can range from low to urgent, helping your team prioritize their tasks efficiently. Before finalizing the ticket, consider the comment visibility. You have the option to make your message a public reply, visible to the requester, or an internal note, which only your team can see. Internal notes are great for adding context or instructions that your team members might need without sharing them with the requester. Once you've reviewed everything and are satisfied with your entries, the final step is to click on Submit as New. By doing this, you effectively create the ticket, and your message is on its way. Following these steps not only keeps your communication organized, but also enhances your efficiency and productivity. Remember, each ticket is a chance to engage meaningfully with your customer and solve their concerns promptly. Now you know how to send a new email in Zendesk. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.